Here is how to recover deleted video projects in Capcut. So if you accidentally deleted a video project and you want to get it back, here's what to do. First, open your Capcut application on your mobile device, log into your account, then go to your project section and let's delete it first. Now, once it has been deleted, you need to go ahead and tap on the trash icon in the top right corner of your screen, which is beside the media option. And here you'll get all the list of the project or the videos that you have deleted. Tap on the three dot next to it, then tap on restore, and you'll be done. You can go back to edit it. Also, if you use Capcut's cloud storage feature, there might be the section of spaces and you can recover projects from there as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.